hear my conversation, which is I'm agree.
Stop squirming your arms.
Yeah, but why you are squeezing me?
Stop squirming
You
your
are
arms.
squeezing, you are hurting me.
Come on.
What was supposed to be a routine flight out of Orlando International Airport quickly spiraled into a high-stakes showdown of aggression and shattered glass. On August 14th, 2025, a 46-year-old woman reached her absolute breaking point at the gate. But this wasn't just a verbal spat. We're talking about alleged physical assaults on staff and the intentional destruction of airport property. As the Orlando police arrived, they're met with a suspect who claims a family tragedy justifies the chaos. But the law sees things very differently. Is this a case of a mental health crisis ignored, or a passenger who simply thought the rules didn't apply to her? Buckle up, because the tension in this terminal is about to hit cruising altitude, and the fallout is going to be expensive. You won't believe how she justifies her actions to the officers. Let's dive in.
Right. What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air...
Just keep your distance. You don't have to get close. Just tell us what happened.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes that I was here in the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was...
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about the phone.
It's my mom. It's my mom.
Yeah, well, we're investigating. We're investigating what happened. Can you put it down?
Madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
Ma.
Okay,
So what happened? I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem and not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can, you keep me out of the flight, okay, that's perfect. But give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break the monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors with my phone.
Put the phones down. Put the phones down.
Yeah. Don't resist.
Don't resist.
Don't resist. Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Turn your hand. There you go. So it's a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah.
That's going to be more comfortable for you that way, okay?
Okay.
And then turn this one this way.
Okay.
Keep turning. There you go.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be more comfortable for you.
Okay.
1 to 10.
Ma, me arrestaron. Me van a llevar presa por nada, mami.
No, let's go.
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out. What
Stop
happened?
moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't know
we'll
who's
get you a right of statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still.
She's too closer.
Why am
Stop! Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, then?
Okay.
No, that is not a crime, right?
So small that it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my,
Right,
I have
come
my
on.
medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Come on, don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to do?
I want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. Ah, there it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down there.
you're proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if
squirming
you-
your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You're hurting me, man. I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
You know, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Check. Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way
See
to the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that
Stop.
that you're gonna take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get him. Rush on, bring him.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it. Yeah,
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. You're a fucking abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. One second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything.
Alright.
Got the ID.
Let me
and all.
grab some. Can you bring some statements up to him?
Yeah. I think, oh yeah, because...
She was like dragging me along. I was like, what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hold on.
Hey,
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him and
There you go.
breaking.
cool. Can I see that?
Right there. I also have it right here, too.
Yeah, actually. Back it up a little.
Right there.
Sorry.
This is her getting off the plane all the way through, punching the
Oh, you got
screens
the
and
whole-
stuff. I got everything.
Yeah, which are kicking in.
You want to press charges?
Well, you got two views of it, so. Do you
You
want
know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, can you want you're gonna write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke
How do we get it? We just left it out. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this gonna cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500.
Right.
So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably another $200.
Cool. Yeah.
We had a passenger that got denied boarding, and she lost it. You know, yeah. So she hit like one of your monitors, and she hit one of the Southwest monitors. My partner over here stated that one of your GOA colleagues stated that the computer's working, that they don't want to press charges. Reference your monitor.
I want to see that.
You want to see it?
Yeah, I got
All right,
to see it.
yeah. Let's go see it. And also, do you guys want to trespass her?
Yeah.
Okay. He wants to see the monitor for himself.
He wants to see. So,
Yeah.
so he said it's working there. The one that I'm responsible for is working. It's a GOA computer, you know. So it's.
But you're not GOA, right?
No, but I fix it. I'm the one who fixes it and maintains it.
That's what I
You know what I mean?
like. We
Yeah.
need to go.
Yeah.
But I checked it and it's working. It's just the power plug had kind of come out. So I set the monitor back up, plug the power plug back in, and it's working.
So it's working.
Yeah, it's working. But as you can see, the other one is not going to work.
And that belongs to us or no?
Now that belongs to
Southwest.
Southwest, yeah.
That's why I told you too, since I wasn't working. There's no
Yeah.
there's no need to put charges on it.
Is Southwest pressing charges? I mean, since
Yeah,
Yeah.
he pressed the charges for the battery and for the damage to the computer.
Yeah, she's going to jail.
all right, hold on. Let me just.
Yeah, do what you gotta do, man.
You're good though.
Yeah.
You're good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's what we're doing? Is the trespass?
Yeah, let's trespass the
All
person
right.
because yes, we have to.
Sorry, so let's go downstairs. No, we're good, man. Thank you. Yeah, so you guys are not pressing charges for reference to
We
monitor.
are trespassing here.
That's not charges. It's different.
I know.
Are you pressing charges for the monitor? Okay. Yeah.
I would like to see the monitor that you broke. I meant the right responsible side.
Yeah, but all right. So you're gonna see it, but are you going to press charges?
We're not pressing charges.
Okay. So let's take care of this trespass first. Then. Let's go down this way.
Carolyn Marie. So, to check. Carolyn Marie.
Sorry for that. We're not pressing charges.
Yeah.
It's just that if Southwest wants to try to get compensated for our day.
Well, if Southwest gets compensated, it will come from her.
It will come from her.
Yeah, I'm assuming because she's the one that damaged it. You got her ID? Thanks. You're not pressing charges. GOA's not pressing charges because their computer works. I asked them multiple times. They're not doing it. Southwest, it was two. One was owned by GOA, one is owned by Southwest. Southwest is pressing charges for theirs.
Okay.
GOA is not, and Southwest is pressing charges for the battery. I asked them multiple times. They had one of their IT people that they contract with them. He checked it out already.
You know what? I gotta see this. I gotta see this. You haven't seen it yet?
No. That's not what I said. I said, are you pressing charges? You said no. I said, all right, then let's go do a trespass.
Yeah, because if it's not damaged, then I'm gonna.
You want to go see it and then meet us back
It
here?
still works, even though it's hanging off the car.
What gate?
It still works
What?
because it's hanging off the car, but
What gate was it?
125.
125.
All right, I'll be back.
Not for words in my mouth.
That's wild. He's like, he's already got an answer without even taking a look at it. How about you go look at it? You know? And he straight up just told you no.
He told me no. I was like, so all right. So if you don't want to press charges, let's hold off on looking at it and get this.
This case serves as a stark reminder of the zero tolerance policy that has become the industry standard for air travel post-pandemic. While the defendant repeatedly cited her brother's terminal illness and her own medications as mitigating factors, the legal system rarely views emotional distress as a valid defense for criminal mischief and physical battery. From a legal standpoint, once she admitted on bodycam to hitting the monitors with her phone, and we saw the footage confirming she struck staff, her fate was essentially sealed. Let's break down the financial and legal reality of what she's facing. Even though the GOA-owned computer was miraculously still functional after being plugged back in, Southwest Airlines chose to move forward with charges for their equipment and the battery against their employee. In Florida, criminal mischief can be elevated to a felony if the damage exceeds $1,000. And with professional-grade airport monitors priced at $500 apiece, she was teetering right on that edge. Furthermore, the charge of resisting without violence often stems from the exact behavior we saw here: tensing up, refusing to walk, and pulling away during the escort. It doesn't take a punch to the face of an officer to catch a resisting charge. Simply making their job harder through physical squirming is enough. The irony here is palpable. In her desperate attempt to get to her dying brother, her actions ensured she would be sitting in an Orange County jail cell rather than a hospital room. It raises a difficult question for all of us. At what point does personal grief stop being an excuse for public endangerment? The airport is a federal environment where emotions run high, but the law remains cold and calculated. Was the officer too rough in his handling, or was his get-to-the-ground warning a necessary response to a suspect who admitted to being violent just minutes prior? This woman now faces a permanent spot on internal no-fly lists, likely making her a persona non grata for Southwest and potentially other carriers, alongside the mounting legal fees and court-ordered restitution for the damaged tech. It's a heavy price to pay for a moment of lost control. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the officers handled her fairly given the circumstances? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Your support helps us keep bringing you the truth behind the yellow tape. Thanks for watching.